Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video I will tell you, as well as show you how to install an image, contact, as well as a poster on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments. So, dear friends, let's get started. First, you will need to open the phone app on your iPhone. Then in the middle, click on the Contacts option and select the contact you would like to edit. After that, you will need to tap right-click on Edit, then Add Photo. Here you can either take a photo from the person of your row which you want to set. You can also tweet the photo from the gallery, also use emoji and so on. I'm going to choose a photo from the gallery. And here you can click on all the photos. It's easier that way. After that, you will need to scroll through and find the right photo for that person. Once you're done, click on the photo. And now you can edit your future poster. You can edit the size of the photo, bringing it closer or farther away somehow. Also, you can apply some kind of filter for your photo here. Also, friends, after you edit your poster already, click on the top right Done. Now click Continue. And then you'll go to the contact image. You'll need to click here on Crop. And here you can also either increase or decrease the size of your future contact image as you need. Click Next at the bottom to continue. Now you can definitely also add some kind of filter to your photo. And when you've done that, click Ready at the top right. And now click also on the top right Continue. After that, friends, the main thing to remember is that you need to save all the changes that you made, and for that you will need to click on Done on the top right. Just like that. Now friends, as you can see, the poster is installed and also the contact image on that person on your iPhone. Friends, this is the way you can easily install the contact image and poster on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also put your likes. Take care.